Are you struggling to feel heard? You sometimes feel lost in a crowd? Are you lonely, feeling disconnected? Well, there's a new pandemic affecting the world right now, and it is not a biological enemy. It's our growing inability to focus, to listen, to hear others, and to be heard. And it's creating barriers between people and making it harder and harder to resolve conflicts. And it's unfortunately leading to growing sadness, depression, and even suicide amongst our young people. And there's a solution. There are five profound unity principles and five Japanese practices that can guide us towards healthier, happier, more fulfilled lives. And this Sunday at Unity, I'm going to be paying attention to one practice in particular, the practice of Ichi-go Ichi-e, or one time, one encounter. And through some simple daily practices, we can change the course of humanity. Yeah. And I know that's a bold statement, right? But it could be true, right? So let's find out together. I'll see you Sunday at Unity.